Hari Om. This video is for the second language Sanskrit students who are studying in the 8th standard. And the lesson name is Sapta Bahinyah. Sapta means 7, Bahinyah is the sisters, 7 sisters. Now we'll move on to the lesson. Sapta Bahinyah, 7 sisters. Okay, it is like a surname. In the northeast, there are 7 states. Okay, this Sapta Bahinyah, as a reward, Upadhi has been given to those 7 states. Okay, because of those 7 states, beautiful is worth seeing, is unique. Okay, and their culture, their society arrangement, everything is special. So that's why this the Saptabahini's Upadhi has been given to those 7 northeast states. And this lesson having a conversation in between the teacher and the students. Now we will start the lesson, and in this lesson they are talking about the some pratyaya suffix. Okay, Adhyapika says Suprabhatam. Okay, good morning. So students are replying Suprabhatam, Suprabhatam. Good morning, miss. So Adhyapika asked, Bhavatu, okay, Adya Kim Pataniyam, what we have to study today? So Chatraha, students are replying, Vayam Sarve Swadeshasya Rajyanam Vishye Jnatum Ichhamaha. We want to know our country's states. So various state of our countries. So immediately teacher says, Adhyapika Shobhanam, good. Vadata, you tell, Asmakam Deshe Kati Rajyani Santi. How many states are there in our country? So immediately Saira saying Chaturvimshatihi Mahodaye. So immediately Saira saying 24 Mays. Okay, now we'll move on to the next scene. Immediately Sylvie says Nahi Nahi Mahabhage Panchavanshatihi Rajyani Santi. No, miss, 25 states are there, not 24. So Adhyapika says now, Anyaha Koapi, any other person, she wants to say something further, but immediately Swara cutting in between and says, that's why Madhye in between itself, Mahodaye, whom is Me Bhagini Katayati, my sister says, yet that Asmakam Deshe, in our country, Ashtavimshadihi Rajyani Santi, 28 states are there. Apart from this 28 states, Sapta Kendra Shashita Pradeshaha api santi. 7 union territories also there, like that. According to the present scenario, there are 28 states only, but 8 union territories. Okay, this is the old edition, so that's why it is given like that. So immediately Adhyapika says, Samyak Janati Te Bhagini. Your sister says correct only. She knows correct only. Bhavatu. Okay. Api Janita Yuyam. Even do you know? Yat Eteshu Rajyeshu. In these states, 28 states, Sapta Rajyanam Ekaha Samavayaha Asti. There is a one group of 7 states. Okay. Among the 28 states, there is a one companion, there is a one group of 7 states is there. Yaha Sapta Bahinyah iti namna pratitosti. And that 7 states is called like a Sapta Bahinyah, 7 sisters, like that. Like the teacher asked. Survey, all the students, Shascharim Parasparam Pashyantaha, seeing each other with surprisingly, Saptabahinyah, 7 sisters, 7 sisters. So Nicholas Sahano asked, Imani Rajyani Saptabahinyah iti kimartam katyante. Why these states are called Saptabahinyah, 7 sisters? So Adhyapika says, Prayogoyam pratikatmako vartate. So this is used as a symbolically. Using the Saptabahinya, there is a symbolic. Kadachit Samajika Sanskrtika Paridrishyanam Samyat Imani Uktopadina Pratithani, because of Samyat, similarity. Okay, there is a similarity. What are all similarity there? Samajika, social, Sanskritika, cultural, Paridrishyanam, landscape. There is a similarity of the landscape of social and cultural. That's why it is called, awarded with this Saptavahinya Ukta Upadina Pratitani. That's why it is called with this Saptavahinya. Okay. Now Samiksha asking, means saying, Kautukalam me na khalu shantim gachati. Now I got ento, means my enthusiasm is increased. So it is not reducing. So I eagerly want to know about that. Shravayatu tavat yat kani thani rajyani. Then please tell me what those states are called seven sisters. Please miss tell us. Like this, Samiksha says. Adhyapika says Shrunuta. Then listen. Okay. Now teacher trying to explain those seven states named by the shloka. Okay. Advayam matrayam chaiva natriyuktam tathadvayam saptarajya samohoyam bhagini saptakam matam. Now there are seven states and the seven state name she trying to explain by this sloka. The states name start with they given advayam. There are two states with start with the letter of a. For example, Arunachala Pradesh, Assam. So advayam, matrayam. And there are three states name which start with the ma. Manipuram, Mizoram, Meghalaya. Na triyuktam tatha dvayam. Na starting with one Nagaland, three starting with one Tripura. Yuktam tatha dvayam. Like this together become two. So like this total seven states. Saptarajya samohoyam. That seven states company or group of seven states. Bhagini saptakam matam. Like that. Seven sisters are considered as the seven states. Okay. Now, Itham Bhagini Saptake Imani Rajyani Santi. In like that, seven sisters, these states are there. Arunachala Pradesh, Assam, Manipuram, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura cha iti. यद्यपि क्षेत्रपरिणामै इमानि लघूनि वर्तन्ते. Even though by area these states are very small. Okay, the area wise it is a very small. Tathapi then also guna gaurava drishtya, the point of view guna good quality or the merits, gaurava pride. Okay, Vrihatarani Pratiyante, it seems very great or big. Okay, these seven states are very big in the point of view, good quality, good merits, and pride. But just only the place wise, the area wise only is small. Survey all the students together. Katam how? Adhyapika says imaha saptabhinyah sviye prachina itihase prayah swadinaha eva drishtaha. These seven sisters are seen in their own ancient history independent only. They never been dependent on others. They never were slave of any other ruler. न केनापि शासकेन इमाः स्वायत्तीकृता. These seven states never has been ruled by any ruler at all. अनेके संस्कृति विशिष्टायां भारत भूमौ एतासां भगिनीनां संस्कृतिः महत्वादायिनी इति. And Bharat Bhuma on the motherland, mother India, there are many culture and every culture has a speciality. Aneke Sanskriti Vishishtayam. Etasam Bhaginam. These seven sisters Sanskriti culture also Mahatmadayini iti is very very important. Okay. So these seven sisters, these seven states, India culture also is very very important for India. So Tanvi asked immediately, Ayam Shabdaha Sarvapratam Kada Prayuktaha. This word Saptabhaginyah used first when they used first. So Adhyapika says Shrutra Maduroya Shabdoyam. Shruta Madura Shabdoyam. This is very pleasant to hear, very nice to hear. Sarva Pratamam first Vigata Shadaptasya Dvisaptatitame Varshe Tripura Rajyodghatanakrame Kinapi Pravartitah. In the year of 1972, Dvisaptatitame Varshe, Tripura Rajyodghatanakrame, while they inaugurated the Tripura state, Kenapi Pravartita has been promoted by someone. So, Asmineva Khale, at the time, Etesham Rajyanam Punaha Sangatanam Vitam. They has been rearranged, these seven states has been rearranged at the time, then they named as the seven sisters. Swara asking now, Anyat Kimapi Vaishishtyam Asti Etesham? Any other speciality also there for these states? Swara asked the question, is there any speciality of these seven states? So teacher answering for that question, Nunam Asti Eva. Sure, there is a speciality of those seven states. Okay, what are the speciality? Now says teacher says, Parvata Vriksha Pushpa Prabhritibihi प्राकृतिक संपत्तिभिः सुसमृद्धानि सन्ति इमानि राज्यानि. These seven states are enriched with सुसमृद्धानि, enriched with प्राकृतिक संपत्तिभिः, with natural treasure. What is that natural treasure? Parvata, mountain, vriksha, tree, pushpa, flowers, prabhritihi, bee, etc. So with this natural treasure, it is enriched with. Bharat Vrikshecha Pushpastabaka Sadrishani Virajanti Etani. These seven states are being present on the top art of the India. If you consider India as a tree, as the tree top part flowers will blooming the same way these seven states blooming like a flowers in India. Rajiv now says, Raju says, Bhavati, Grihe yata sarvadika ramya manorama cha bhagini bhavati, तथैव भारतगृहे अपि सर्वाधिकाः रम्याः इमाः सप्तभगिन्यः सन्ति. So Grihe, as in the house, most admire, most beautiful sister will be the same way. Tathaiva Bharata Grihe api in the, if you consider India is a house, so Sarvadika Ramya, very beautiful, admirable, these seven sisters will be. Like that he kept his point of view. So Adhyapika says, Manasyagata iyam bhavana, these your feelings which came in your mind, Manasi agata. So iyam bhavana, these feelings, Parama Kalyanamai is a very auspicious, very good only. Param, but Sarve na tata avagachanti, but everyone not understand that manner. अस्तु ओके अस्ति तावद् एतेषां विषये किञ्चित् वैशिष्ट्यान्यपि कथनीयम्. There are a lot of speciality. Something I have to tell about the speciality also about these seven states. Savahita manasa shrunata. Savahita manasa shrunata means please listen attentively. Okay, savadhana manasa. Janajati Bahula Pradeshoyam. These states are full of tribal people. Okay, the tribal people here, category or the name of the tribal people, they are naming it here. Garo, Khasi, Naga, Mijo, these Prabhritayah, etc. Bhavaha Janajatayah Atra Neva Santi. Like this, many tribal people are living here in these seven states. Sharirena urjasvinaha. They are energetic by their fitness, means by their body. Okay. Etat pradeshikaha bahubhashibihi samanvitaha. And these states are is full of many language speaker. Okay. Parva paramparabihi paripurita is full of festivals. Swalila Kalavischa Nishnataha Santi, and they all these seven states are master of fine art and games. Okay, Nishnataha is a master. Malati asking now, Mahodaye, Tatra tu Vangshavrikshaha Prapyante. There are availability of the bamboo trees also. Adipika says, yes, okay. Pradeshosmin in the states, okay. Hastashilpanam bahulyam vartate. There is a multiplicity of the bamboo trees. आवस्त्रभूषणेभ्यः गृहनिर्माणपर्यन्तं प्रायः वंशवृक्षनिर्मितानाम् उपयोगः वस्तूनाम् उपयोगः क्रियते. They using things which made by the bamboo for what? For the cloth, for the ornament, till even making for the house also. For everything they making the things which made by the bamboo, and that also prayaha mostly. Yato hi atra vangshavrikshanam prachuryam vidyate, because there is a full of enriched with bamboo trees. Sampratam vangshavidyogoyam antarashtriya kraptim avaptosti, and that bamboo made things, which handicraft things, got nowadays international fame also. Abhinav asking question or says something. Bhavini pradeshoyam bahvakarshaka iti pratiyate. That sister state, no, the seven sister states, it seems very attractive. So Salima says now, Kim Brahmanaya Bahini Pradeshoyam Samichinaha. Is it that is that place Bahini Pradesha, that seven sister states, or is it good for wandering for picnic? So Sarve Chatraha Uchai louder. Okay, Mahodaye, Miss Agamini Avakashe, the forthcoming holidays, Vayam Tatraiva Gantumichamaha. We all like to go there to those seven states. Okay, Swara says now, Bhavatyapi Asmabihi Sardam Chalatu. You also please come with us. Miss, you also come with us for picnic. Adhyapika says, Rochate Mayam Vicharaha. This idea is I liked. Etani Rajyani tu Brahmanartham Swargasadrishani iti. These seven states, Saptabahinya states, Brahmanartham for wandering or for picnic, Swargasadrishani iti. It's like a heaven, so we all go together once. Like the saying, the lesson is finished, ended here. Hari Om. I hope you all understood the lesson Saptabahinyah. Thank you and Hari Om. Dhanyavadaha.